So we had some exciting news from Ripple the other day, just about 24 hours ago. Check it out in this video right there. New ODL opening up in Japan, amazing. So we also had a nice little pump with XRP. So we're gonna go over that. What's happening? What should we expect next? So guys, all that and more. If you guys like this content, definitely smack that subscribe button, smack that like as well. So let's just jump right into it, checking out the current market conditions. Quant, Rune, Luna making some moves. AMP just got on Binance US, also popping off. Good old faithful GRT, just under 60 cents, making a little bit of a move. We got Bitcoin just under 40,000, Ethereum just above 2,300, Tether is still at $1. Amazing. But of course, we're focusing on XRP, 70.5 cent at the current time on cryptobubbles.net. But let's just go check out the daily. What's going on here? So as we can see right here, we have this nice movement right here. As long if you look at the Bitcoin chart, it's very similar. I mean, this nice move. People are claiming that's from the ODL with Japan, the big news the other day, which is very nice to see. I mean, look at that massive candle right there. That's pretty big compared to if you go back in memory lane, past few months. It's hasn't been that nice. We've been making lower lows and lower highs. And as we know, that's not what we want to make. That the trend is your friend until the end, and the trend is lower highs and lower lows, unfortunately. So we can also look at the MACD. I mean, look at this positive momentum. We see that with price action though. It's positive. RSI is popping off. Okay, of course, same thing. It's correlating. That's great. We see the RSI is topping off around 64. We get a little retracement. Hopefully this pulls back, makes a higher low, and we pop off with a higher high. There's something back in 2020 that we were talking about with XRP on the weekly with two moving averages. So we're going to get a nice little refresher right there. So going back in memory lane all the way back in 2017, we're looking at the yellow moving average is the 21 MA. We have the 50 MA is the blue. So whenever the yellow line's above the blue line, that's bullish on the weekly. So look at this. We had the cross right in here. Look what happened. Parabolic. Yellow is still above, 21 is still above, so yellow is still above. Look at this parabolic. We almost had the cross right in here, but did not happen. It got close, but parabolic. And then where do we have a cross? Right here. Guess what? We already topped previously, weeks ago, months ago. And then now we continued off, the blue's above, so that's bearish. Blue, we're getting close in this region. We got close, but that's still bearish right there because it did not happen. Did not actually get the cross until September 2020. First of all, that right there is pretty amazing. The yellow line got above. That's good. Parabolic price action, as you see, and I'm sure you remember. But what happened in this price area right in here? What happened in here? We have the SEC sue Ripple. That really put a kink in our plans right here. It really just messed everything up. Very unfortunate. But what do you see? Even with the lawsuit, what do you see here? On the charts, like I'm not making this up. The 21 is still above the 50. That's still nice to see. And look at this. Of course, we had the nice parabolic run. We had the SEC FUD. That, if you want to call it FUD, it's actually real stuff that's happening. We fell below the 50 MA on the weekly. So, and then we finally came back up, rallied above the 21 again. Nice parabolic, going with the alt season and everything. Didn't do as well as I anticipated because the SEC definitely hindered that. We did not make all-time highs. Now we've fallen, and we fell through the 21. And where did we just bounce off of? The 50 MA on the weekly with a decent wick right there, showing buying pressure right there. Now currently we're bouncing up a little bit. We got we have a wick right there showing a little bit of selling pressure, but that's normal. We just bounced from 60 cents. Bounced up to 75 cents, especially with the current market conditions of Bitcoin moving. It definitely correlates. But does one expect us to keep bouncing off this 50 MA and then breaking through the 21 on the weekly? Or are we expected to bounce down? We can, of course, look at some indicators. We have the MACD right here. We're losing the negative momentum. That right there is good. As we see, we are losing the negative momentum. Keep in mind, these are lagging indicators. The RSI is right there at 50, right there in the neutral zone. So, it does have room to the upside. Also has room to the downside. I do want to point out on the weekly, so we had a high here and then a higher high here and lower high. That's bearish divergence. So just keep that in the back of your mind. So it's just going to be interesting what exactly is going to happen here. Nobody knows for sure. If somebody tells you they know 100%, oh, this is going to happen, they're wrong because nothing has a 100% certainty. So just please keep that in mind. We'll see if we can get back above here. That'll be extremely bullish. If you see us close a weekly candle above the 21 MA, that's extremely bullish. That's good for XRP. So watch out for that, and we shall go from there. But yeah, guys, currently 70.5 cents. It's nice to see some nice actions in the crypto space quant. If you got into that, congratulations. Currently up 33.8%. Alrighty, guys, that's all I got for today. Smack the likes, smash the subscribes. Let me know your opinion about XRP or what's your favorite altcoin down below. And until next time, may the gains be with you.